I want to share you something about my daily life. As I and so during the day, I'm all about people I know well. You so guys, today again I'm here, and today I want to share you something about myself. Fine, but you can see I'm a very peaceful person. So during the day, I'm all about being professional and getting my work done. But when I am free, I love to let my hair down and have some fun. I enjoy kidding around the acting like a kid, but only with people I know well. Keep it in your mind, okay? So one of my favorite thing is to do is go out with my friend and explore new places, whether it is trying new food, going on adventures, or just messing around. I love being able to let loose and have a good time. So that's a little bit about me, what you can expect from me these personal vlogs. I'm excited to share more of my daily experiences, thoughts and opinions with all of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.